Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we're going to discuss the S10 Plus, the most common problem and how to fix them. And first we're going to discuss about the fingerprint scanner, and we all know that Samsung put screen protectors on all Galaxy S10 models prior to shipping, and that's making the fingerprint scanner setup process very difficult. So we just have to go to check always for software, because Samsung issue a one-day software update that drastically improved the fingerprint scanner speed and reliability. Samsung released in April another update that surprisingly made a huge difference, and the users are reporting a better experience with the fingerprint sensor. So always check for updates, and it should be working even better, the fingerprint now. How to fix Galaxy S10 Plus accidental screen touch problem. Another complaint we keep seeing is the user are accidentally touching the side of the phone and opening the Edge apps panel. But in order to avoid that, we're just gonna have to go on settings and select display, then scroll down to accidental touch protection and flip the switch to on. Not only does this help prevent accidental taps and touches in general, but it also helps with accidental taps in the pocket, purse, bag, or even the dark areas. How to fix Galaxy S10 Plus apps that are not full screen. Most of the apps and games scale up to fit the entire screen, but some of them don't. So what we have to do is pull down the notification bar and head to settings. Then tap on display, select the options labeled full screen apps, tap on any app that isn't full screen and switch it from auto to full screen. At this point, most apps should work fine, and developers already fixed this. If not, you can force them into full screen mode, and now you'll see they automatically scale to the new 18 by 5.9 aspect ratio and fill your entire display with content. Galaxy S10 Plus freezing and unresponsive problems. If your S10 Plus or S10 or S10e, because these apply to all the Galaxy S10 phones, is frozen or unresponsive, press and hold both of the power and volume down buttons at the same time and hold them down for 7-8 seconds. The phone will turn off, reboot, and start fresh. This will not harm anything and simply force the phone to restart even if it's completely frozen and the screen is black. So just give it a try and see if it's working. How to fix Galaxy S10 Plus always on display and lift to wake up problem. So in order to change, customize, and tweak the always on display, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first go to the settings, lock screen, and tap on always on display. From here you can customize and change the entire experience. Then go back to the main settings menu and go to advanced features, motions and gestures, and uncheck the lift to wake up feature. While you're here, kill the double tap to wake. If it's keep going off in your pocket, Samsung will fix this with a software update, so always check for updates. So these are just a few common problems with the Samsung Galaxy S10 phones. And if you like this type of video, please give it a like, please give it a share, and please give it a subscribe. And thank you for watching, and see you again on another video.